today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this law to grow taller, even if it's just 2 to 3 inches. Let's start. 1. Growth plates. The first and most important thing for height growth is your growth plates. They would help you grow taller. For most men, growth plates close between the ages of 18 to 20, and once they close, your height stops increasing, no matter what you do. But here's something interesting. There's actually a way to keep your growth plates open longer, sometimes till the age of 23 or even 28 inches, rare cases. Think back to school. Remember how in 7th grade most girls were taller than boys, but by 10th grade the boys suddenly caught up and became taller. That's because girls' growth plates close faster, mainly due to the hormone estrogen. And here's what science says. If you can reduce estrogen levels and increase testosterone naturally, you can keep your growth plates open for a longer time, which means you can grow taller for a few more years. So here's what to do. Avoid soy foods, things like soy chunks, tofu, and soy milk. These can slightly increase estrogen in your body. Sweat more. The more you sweat, the more estrogen your body releases. So play sports, run or train hard daily. Focus on lower body exercises like sprinting and skipping rope. They boost testosterone and improve growth. Hormone naturally eat foods rich in protein and zinc, such as eggs, chicken, lentils, pumpkin seeds, and fish. These nutrients support testosterone production and bone growth. 2. Adaptive remodeling. Your body is amazing. It adapts to whatever you do repeatedly, and this same rule applies to height as well. Look at the Netherlands. They have some of the tallest people in the world. One big reason cycling is a daily habit there. When you cycle, your legs stretch again and again. Over time, your bones slowly reshape to make that movement easier. This process is called adaptive remodeling. Your bones adjust based on the stress you put on them. To get the best results, you can increase the height of your cycle seat. A higher seat gives your legs maximum stretch. Every time you pedal, more stretch equals more stimulus equals better adaptation. This is the same reason giraffes have long necks. They constantly stretch upward to eat leaves from tall trees. Over generations, their bones adapted and grew longer. Here's how you should cycle. Increase your seat height so that when the pedal is at the lowest point, your leg becomes straight, not bent. This gives you the perfect stretch for adaptive growth. Do this every day and increase the seat height a little bit more every month. With time, your legs will adapt and grow to match the stretch you're giving them.